Alex was a young boy who loved playing with his toys every day. His room was full of cars, blocks, books, and stuffed animals. Alex enjoyed taking everything out, but he did not like putting things back. His room often looked messy, and sometimes it was hard to find his favorite toys when he wanted to play. One afternoon, Alex wanted to play with his blue toy car, but he could not find it. He looked under his bed, behind his chair, and inside boxes. The room felt crowded and confusing. Alex began to feel frustrated and tired from searching. Alex's parent came into the room and sat beside him. In a calm voice, they explained that keeping the room clean helps make playtime easier and more fun. Alex listened quietly and looked around. He started to understand that the mess was making things harder for him. Together, they began cleaning the room slowly. Alex picked up one toy at a time and placed it where it belonged. Cars went in one box, books on the shelf, and stuffed animals on the bed. Cleaning felt easier when he did it step by step. As the room became cleaner, Alex noticed something interesting. He could see the floor again, and his favorite toys were easy to find. The room felt calm and open. Alex began to feel proud of the work he was doing. Alex realized that cleaning was not a punishment. It was a way to take care of his space. When everything had a place, playing felt more enjoyable. He smiled as he placed the last toy away. Later that day, Alex finished playing and remembered what he had learned. He put his toys back without being asked. It felt good to keep the room neat, and it did not take much time. Alex noticed that a clean room helped him feel calm and happy. He could think clearly and enjoy his games more. The room felt like a safe and comfortable place again. The next morning, Alex woke up and smiled when he saw his clean room. Everything was ready for a new day. He felt confident and responsible. Alex understood that cleaning a little each day made a big difference. It helped him feel organized and proud of himself. Taking care of his room was a good habit. From that day on, Alex tried his best to keep his room tidy. He knew that caring for his space was part of growing up and learning responsibility. Alex learned that a clean room makes playtime better and life easier. Taking care of his things helped him feel happy, calm, and ready for every new day.